Alright, hello everyone, this is Juan from Bogar Tech Designs, and today we are going to install the rear window American flag decal for the newer model Toyota Tacoma. So first of all, we want to make sure that we have all the tools needed to install this flag. So we're going to need a cleaning solution, a microfiber towel, a squeegee, or you could use your credit card, painter's tape, and scissors. So first we're going to go ahead and get our American flag. Well, before that, we are going to clean the window, making sure to get rid of all the debris, all the grease, and anything that is left behind. Use our microfiber towel to clean it off. Now that it's clean and we make sure that it's dried, let's go ahead and start by getting the flag and aligning it to the window. Now we can go ahead and get our painter's tape or regular masking tape and stick it onto the window and the flag to make sure that it doesn't move. At the same time, we want to make sure that the flag is aligned to the window. Now we just grab one whole strip and place it across the flag. Okay. Now we can move on to the next step, which is to remove the backing paper from the flag. So we go ahead and grab the flag and start pulling the backing paper with the grid back. And you could also use a little bit of your masking tape to hold the flag in place. Okay. Now we go ahead and cut the backing paper with some scissors. Now we can go ahead and tack down the American flag. Make sure to squeegee hard to make sure that the flag adheres onto the window. And as we squeegee down, we want to go in an up and down motion so we don't get any wrinkles or bubbles in between. Okay, now that it's squeegee, we could remove the painter's tape. And we don't have to worry about it misaligning because the flag is already holding it in place. And then we go ahead and start with the other section. Same process, squeegee in an up and down motion, making sure that there's no bubbles. Now we make sure that the flag is fully adhered onto the window by squeegeeing hard. Fully squeegee now, so now we go ahead and remove the transfer tape. So we grab an edge and we start pulling parallel to the window. We don't want to lift because then that might tear the flag. So we go ahead and pull. And if there's any bubbles, we could always just squeegee them out with our fingers. And that is it. That is the installation for the American flag window for the newer model Toyota Tacoma.